It's a gloomy day, Thanksgiving Day 2023. Well, this morning it rained, it was cold, but now it's just chilly. But you know what? We gotta cook that turkey. So, what I have right here is a chicken hanger. What you also use to hang turkeys. And this is actually from Oklahoma Joe's Smokers, for their products. And I completely forgot about this, that I had this. I purchased it a while back, so I'm barely going to use it the first time. So my question is this the best way to cook a turkey? Let's find out. Alright, I have a young turkey that I purchased from HEB. It's a all natural turkey, so we'll see how that's going to taste. I did inject it, went ahead and did that. I didn't go with the brining, as I'll skip that, and just did that. And I did let it air dry a bit in the fridge, so we'll see how that goes too. Season it with the Salt Lick seasoning, chicken seasoning. I really enjoyed that rub a lot of flavors to it. It's awesome. I'm gonna use post oak for the basket for the charcoal B&B, so that's already lit, ready going. But we're gonna check it out and see how those hooks go and see how the turkey hangs. And like I said, we'll see if this is the best way to cook a turkey. All right, so let's get started. All right, I'm gonna get some wood chucks on. There, right there, one in the middle, one right there. I'm gonna use the heat diffuser plate. All right, here it is, the turkey. So let's go around, hook it right there. Look at that. Oh yeah, smoky. It's a 10-pounder right there. Oh man. All right, I'm gonna get a probe and stick it right in the breast. Just like that. Yeah, all right. So let's close it and let's smoke. Look at that. Look at that post oak smoke right there. Man. Bronco. I can smell the seasoning from the Salt Lick chicken seasoning. It's good. Man. I'm telling you, if you don't got a Bronco, go out and get your Bronco. Breast is sitting at 90. About an hour in. So, let's see. Oh yeah, nice color. Oh yeah. Right there, that wing got a little darker right there, probably because a lot more rub was on that part of the wing. But overall, looking good, don't you think? Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Yeah, so what do you think? So far so good, right? They said you got post oak wood chunks. Been sitting around 250 temp of the Bronco. Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. So I'm gonna go for more. Like so far, those hangers doing pretty good. So let's close it up and continue on, man. Look at that. 250 at the Bronco. 124 at the breast. So let's give it a peek. Oh yeah, it's looking nice. Gotten just a little bit darker. Man, look at that. That is beautiful. Man. Just love getting into these close-ups. What do y'all think? Yes or no? How's it turning out? And I believe we're about 2 hours in. Just if you're wondering when it comes to the time. See, that's all it is, just hanging it like that. Yeah, that's neat. So far, hooks are doing pretty well. And I want to say, I don't know if you can't tell, but it's probably, I want to say, from at the end, in the middle of the hook, it's probably about maybe 3 inches off, maybe 2.5 inches off from the diffuser plate. And then I could have went without diffuser plate, but I'll be honest, I kind of wanted this bird to look pretty, you know what I mean? We'll know how well it would do with the turkey hanging it without the diffuser plate. But I mean, so far right now, looking beautiful. But let's close it up and let's finish this off. We're at 124 in the breast, so let's do it. Breast is sitting at 147. So we're getting there. Yeah. It's a little after 5 in the evening, so soon the sun's gonna set. We'll see if we continue this on in the nighttime, but yeah. Got that smoke. The post oak. That's a beautiful sky right there. Beautiful. And then there's the Bronco. We're just sitting at just below 275. Yeah. But so yeah. Beautiful sunset here in Texas. This is what all about. Out here with your smoker, cooking. That's the life. Alright, it's just below 275. 165. Let's check it. Oh, steamy there. Well, let's get out of view. Hey. There it is. That is beautiful. Look at that. Oh, man. Beautiful color. Man. Look at that. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Is it good enough? Color good enough for you? Man. All right, well, you know, hit that 165, and yeah, you could take a little more, but you know, I'm gonna let carry on by letting it rest. But yeah, beautiful. All right, let's let it rest. What do you think? All right, well, this is it right here, folks. I'm gonna take this bird inside, and so it's just gonna be me, my wife, and the kid. I'm gonna, you know, show some clips afterwards of carving into it and showing what it looks like. But yeah, hopefully there's enough sunlight. I mean, sun's going down, you know. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, it's pretty easy how to hang your turkey with the Bronco. It's just another way to do it. So, what do you think? Is this the best way to cook a turkey? Never know. You tell me. But from the looks of it, it's pretty good. But alright, this is it. Let's go grub. You know, as always, folks, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone.
And I think the first piece